Imagine a world where every device, every tool, and almost every object you interact with not only serves a purpose, but also contributes to an immense network of information. This isn't just a scene from a futuristic movie. It's rapidly becoming our reality. In the 1970s, the technological landscape was markedly different. The era saw the rise of the networked computer, online processing, and the first personal computers. These innovations marked the beginning of a shift from bulky, room-sized mainframes to devices that could fit on a desk, or eventually, in the palm of a hand. Fast forward to the late 20th century. The internet had woven itself into the fabric of daily life for those who became teenagers in the late 1990s. It was a natural part of their world, much like electricity and airplanes were for their parents. By this time, technology was not just about computing power, it was about connectivity and accessibility. As the new millennium dawned, the pace of technological advancement only accelerated. Generation X and their children routinely downloaded music, movies, and games, embracing the digital delivery of media that once required physical storage. At the same time, social networking tools began to redefine human interaction, shrinking the world in unprecedented ways. Amid this digital revolution, one of the most significant milestones was the unveiling of the Hwa A in late 2010. This Chinese supercomputer, costing $88 million to build and $20 million a year to run, represented the pinnacle of computing power at the time. With over 3 million processors, Hwa A could perform up to 2.566 petaflops, making it the fastest supercomputer in the world. This era also saw the transformation from analog to digital devices. By 2016, a third of the world's population had internet access, and over 4.6 billion people were using mobile phones. The shift was not just in scale but in scope. Technology became malleable, adaptable to countless forms and uses. Dr. Hwa A in his keynote, From Biodata to Bigdata, emphasized how information technology has become a general-purpose tool, shaping every aspect of our lives. From the great events of war and politics to the mundane tasks of work and play, technology integrates seamlessly, enhancing our capabilities and expanding our horizons. Lim's vision of the future is a brave new cognified world where every device that can have a chip will have a chip. This isn't just about making devices smarter, it's about turning them into nodes within a vast network of data. This world prioritizes the value of data, with enterprises that own significant data assets leading in innovation and efficiency. In this brave new world, even the medical field transforms with technology. Biomedical advances lead to devices that monitor our health continuously, from wearable technology to subdermal implants, all contributing to an increased lifespan and enhanced quality of life. In summary, from the analog devices of the 1970s to the supercomputers like Hwa A, and onto a future where every object is part of a vast interconnected data network, technology has and will continue to dramatically shape our world. Each advancement not only pushes the boundaries of what machines can do, but also redefines the very fabric of human existence. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing remains clear: our future will be more interconnected than ever, a true testament to the limitless potential of human ingenuity in the realm of technology.